Hello guys, NEET 2020 is over. After lots of confusions and tensions and frustrations, ultimately study exam was over. Paper was very nice, students performed very well. Here today I am going to discuss a surprise for you because I have analyzed the whole question papers, particularly chemistry, and I have found that it is as usual for the last 5 to 10 years, because all the questions that came yesterday's paper all are from the direct NCERT book. Here I am going to show you each and every questions and the page number of the NCERT book from where this question exactly has been taken. You will be surprised to know that. Let's start with the question papers. Code number H5. I have the code number H5. I am going to discuss with these particular papers because there are different sets of question papers. The serial number of questions may be different. It will be different from different sets. I have set H5. I am going to discuss the chemistry paper. As you know, I am a chemistry faculty. Yes or no? Chem Guru Giren sir, ex-HOD FITG, director of Me Vigyan Academy. You must be knowing. I am a non-face to you all, I suppose. Let's start the first questions. That is 136, the chemistry portion. That was the biology portion. From 136 is the chemistry portion. The question is, hydrolysis of sugar, sucrose is given by the following reaction. This is the question. And I am going to show you the source. Page number 201. This is NCERT textbook for class 11, volume 1, part 1. Textbooks for class 11, chemistry part 1, page number 201. This question, sucrose, this question, hydrolysis of sucrose, exactly this question, you can see it. The option is given here, this minus 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole per Kelvin into 300 Kelvin into ln 2 into 10 to the power 13. Exact question up to this, direct from the NCERT. It is the solve problem, problem 711, page number 201. Next, proceed for the question number 142. First I am giving you all the questions coming from this particular book, part 1 class 11, then I will go for part 2 class 11, then I will go for the class 12 book, part 1 and part 2 accordingly. First I am going to discuss all the questions that was given from this particular book. Okay, therefore next question from the this particular book is question number 142. Question number 142, this is the question 142. HCl was passed through solution of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, NaCl. Which of the following? This 142. This question was asked from the page number 222. Page number 222. Page number 222. Page number 222. 222. Exactly. You see, saturated solution of sodium chloride passed through. The sodium chloride is precipitated due to increased concentration of the chloride ions available from the dissociation of the HCl. Exactly this question. Answer was given 3 only NaCl. Direct from NCERT book, page number 222. This paragraph. You will be surprised to know another question from the same page was asked. Another question was asked. That question is this. The question number is your 222 page number. Question number 145. Question number 145. This is the question. Find out the solubility of nickel hydroxide. Exactly, you see. Calculate the molar solubility of nickel hydroxide in 0.10 molar sodium hydroxide. The ionic product is given. Exact question. Exact question. This question. From the same page. This is the solved problem 7.28. Next, go for the another questions. That question number 144. 144. This is the question. These questions, the correct options for the free expansion of ideal gas. This question was taken from the page number 182. 182. Page number 182. 82. Page number 182. Exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. This question, for the process to occur under adiabatic conditions. This is exactly little bit sentence language is little bit they have changes. Otherwise, this is the questions. 6.2. 6.2. Next, go for the question number 145. That we have discussed 145. Next question 154. 154. 154. This is the question. 154. This is the question. Identify the incorrect match. 54. This question was taken from the NCERT class 11 volume 1 page number 77. I want to show you page number 77. Page number 77, table 3.5. Table 3.5. You see Anilanium. The IUPAC name is Mendelevium. Then was Aniltrium. IUPAC name is Lawrencium. Then Anilhexium. That IUPAC name is Seaborgium. Then Ananium. The IUPAC name is this, and it is given different. That's why we need to choose the incorrect option. That's why answer was this. Page number 77, table 3.5, exact question. Next, go for question number 160. 160. You can see this question. For the reactions 2Cl gives chlorine gas, the correct options. This question was taken from page number 183, class 11, part 1 books, exercise 618. I want to show you page number 183. Page number 183. Page number 180. This question, exact question. You see, these two are the questions. Exact question. Check it. This is the question. This question for the reaction. This is the question for the reaction. 2Cl gives chlorine. What are the signs of delta S and delta S? The correct options. You need to find out the sign of delta S and delta S. Exact question. Exact question taken from the exercise. This is the exercise. Question number 6.18. 160. Next, go for question number 168. 168. It was amazing questions. I hope you all have performed very well. 168. Identify the molecule which does not exist. This was taken from NCERT class 11 part 1 books, page number 126. Page number 126. This is the questions. Helium molecule is therefore unstable and does not exist. They are asking which molecule does not exist. Answer is helium 2. Exact question. If you have idea, NCERT books, really you have performed well. Then go for question numbers 170. 170. This is the 170. A mixture of nitrogen and argon. This question was taken from NCERT books, class 11, part 1, page number 143. Page number 143. I want to show you. Page number 143. This is not the exact question. Only little bit they have changed. A mixture of nitrogen argon is given a neon hydrogen mixture. Quite similar questions. Not exact question, quite similar question. Only they have changes that here neon and dioxins, there is nitrogen and argon. There is the basic difference. Otherwise, exact question. This question. Solve problem 5.4. Exact question. 5.4. Next, go for the question number 175. 175. This is the question. Which of the following has the maximum number of atoms? This question was taken from NCERT books, page number 24, exercise 1.28. Page number 24. Page number 24. This is the question. 175. Exercise 1.28. This is the question. Which of the following will have the largest number of atoms? The largest number, 1 gram of lithium. 1 gram of lithium. Then 1 gram of silver. 1 gram of silver. In place of silver, they have taken the gold. Here it is gold. They have given the silver. Quite similar. Option is this. First option is the correct option. 175, then 176. Question number 176. Which of the following set of molecules will have the zero dipole moment? This also was taken from the NCERT class 11 books, page number 107. 107. 107. Which of the following molecules will have zero dipole moment? Zero dipole moment. Boron trifluoride. You see this boron trifluoride, zero dipole moment. Then beryllium difluoride, zero dipole moment. These questions they have given. This question they have given. 176. This is the chemical bonding chapters. Page number 107. You can see. Next, question number 180. Question number 180. Question number 180. This is the question. What is the change in oxidation number of carbon in the following reaction? Following reaction. This was taken from the NCERT books, page number 259. 259 in-text question. 259 in-text question. This question was given from the NCERT class 11 volume 2. Volume 2. 259. 259. Direct question, in-text question. This is the questions. You can see methane, chlorine, CCl4, HCl. They are asking what is the change in oxidation number of the carbon in the following reaction. ERC -4 to +4. -4 to +4. -4 to +4. Exact question. Okay, guys. Volume 1 is over. Now we are going to start at volume 2 books. This is the volume textbooks for class 11 part 2. Next, go for the question number 148. Question number 148. Question number 148. This is the question. Question number 148. Match the following, identify the correct. This question they have taken from several pages, like page number 200, page number 278, page number 278. 207. It is a mixture of questions they have taken from different pages and they assembled it and they have given the questions. Page number 278. What they are asking? They are asking carbon CO plus hydrogen. CO plus hydrogen. This is called synthesis gas. That CO plus hydrogen is called a synthesis gas. You can see this. CO and hydrogen is called a synthesis gas. This is the exactly questions. Next, they are asking temporary hardness. Temporary hardness they have taken from page number 284. 284. They have mixed the concept. 284. Temporary hardness. You see, temporary hardness is due to the presence of magnesium and calcium hydrogen carbonate. Exactly. Magnesium hydrogen carbonate, calcium hydrogen carbonate. Next question they have taken B2H6. B2H6. This is they have taken from the page number 313. 313. 313. 313. You can see diboron is the electron deficient hydrates. Electron deficient hydrates. Diboron. This is electron deficient hydrates. Electron deficient. Next, hydrogen peroxide they have taken from 286. 286. This question is little bit like they have mixed different concept altogether. Hydrogen peroxide. What is given? Non-planar structure. You see, hydrogen peroxide has a non-planar structure. This question they have did little bit effort. They put the effort and they have collected from different sources and altogether they have arranged it. But you see the first line they have put it. First line. Therefore, you have a knowledge of NCERT books. It is not difficult to attempt the questions. Next, go for question number 153. Now we are talking about the questions coming from the NCERT class 11 volume 2 book. Page number 100, question number 153. 153. This is the question. An alkyl ozonolysis gives the methanol as one of the product. This question was asked from the concept of your ozonolysis. Page number 383. 383. Based upon the ozonolysis. 383. Based upon the ozonolysis. From this concept. The question is not exactly from taken from this book, but the concept is that ozonolysis. Ozonolysis option answers. This is the correct. This double bond will break and oxygen will combine. Similar to these questions. Not exactly that, but quite similar. Next, go for question numbers. Next, go for question number your 156. 156. This is the question. Paper chromatography is an example of. This was taken from 353. 353. 353. This is the line. Paper chromatography is a type of partition chromatography. Paper chromatography is an example of partition chromatography. Exactly. Page number 353. 353. Next question. Next question 158. This is the question. Which of the following cannot alkane cannot be made good yield by the Woods reaction? This was taken from page number 371. 371. Based upon the Woods reaction. 371. Based upon the Woods reaction. Based upon this Woods reaction, that reaction is given. But with the help of Woods reaction, we can prepare the alkane with the even number of carbon. But this is the odd number of carbon. That's why we will not get the better yield. This is from the Woods reaction. 158. Then question number 169. 169. 160. Identify the correct instrument from the following. These also they have collected the lines from different pages of the NCERT books, like page number 319, 318, 320, 322. I can show you 319, page number 319. Students, you could understood that if you read the NCERT books properly, all the questions can be solved directly. They have taken from the only NCERT book 319, page number 319. This is the line. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless. Carbon monoxide is colorless, odorless. This line they have taken. Then page number 320. 320. Carbon dioxide is used refrigerant for ice cream and frozen food. Carbon dioxide, here you see mark, it is G for gaseous. But here you can read, carbon dioxide can be obtained as a solid in the form of dry ice by allowing the liquefied carbon dioxide to expand rapidly. Dry ice is used as a refrigerant. Dry ice means solid carbon dioxide. But here the carbon dioxide is given here gaseous. That's why there is not correct. Okay, not correct. Next, they have taken page number 318. 318. 318. What is that? The structure of C60 contains 12 6 carbon rings and 25 carbon rings. Here you see C60 contains 26 numbered ring and 12 5 membered ring, just opposite. Here you need to choose the correct option. Last one, page number 322. Page number 320. You can read the questions. 322. ZSM5, a type of zeolite used to convert alcohol into gasoline. You see, ZSM5, a type of zeolite used to convert alcohol directly into gasoline. You can see exact line they have picked up from the NCERT book. Hello students, please be focused for the NCERT book. Then it is not difficult to become a doctor. You can easily get 600 plus marks in NEET exams. This is not the only for this year. This is the trend. Every year they are asking for that only. Now let us see question number 173. 173. This is the question. Which of the following is a natural polymer? Natural polymer. Natural polymer. Also, this question they have taken from NCERT or class 12 book. This was taken from class 12. Okay, that will come later on. Will come this question later on. This class 12. This question 173 is from the 173 class 12 book. That is page number 433. Will be coming little later of that. This question. Next 174. Which of the following is not correct about the carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide. They are asking. They have given different stream. They are asking which is not correct. That they have taken from the NCERT book. Page number 400. Page number 400. Carbon monoxide. carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. You see, this is the correct answer. The carboxyhemoglobin is less stable than oxyhemoglobin. They are asking not correct. You see, it binds to hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, which is about 300 times more stable than the oxyhemoglobin. The line just opposite to that. This is the line. They are asking to find out the incorrect statement. Therefore, this is the answer. Next, we can see question number 177. 177. A tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than that. This they have taken from NCERT class 11 part 2, test number 347. 347. 347. 347. This is the stability order. This is the tertiary butyl carbon. This is called tertiary butyl carbocation. It is more stable due to what? Hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation, relative stability is due to hyperconjugation. They are asking which option is the correct. Hyperconjugation is the correct. Dear students, NCERT part 1 and part 2 is over. Next video I am going to give details regarding the questions. Those came from the NCERT class 12 books part 1 and part 2. Just after this video, next video will be coming. You can see the next video for the rest of the questions. Thank you.